Please watch this video till the end for an important message. By the way, this glitch only happened in my phone. Hello Sighters, Shockstar MJ is here and we are back with a video. So everybody just know that the inner slot, the creator of Among Us, just updated the game. And yeah, it gives me a little glitch which is this. I call this the incorrect view glitch. Because in this glitch, I sometimes can't see what other players can see, and I sometimes can see what other players can't see. It's not that good in imposter, but it great sometimes seems great as a crewmate. Well, as an imposter, it's an headache because if you by chance kill someone, you thought that there is nobody, you kill someone like this, and suddenly a player was standing there, you just kill someone, you just went your way down, and the player report the body and say, I saw you kill. And as a crewmate, it's literally annoying because, yeah, just an imposter kills behind you, you actually don't see the body, you just move on, and everybody just saw you move around the body. So it's a headache, but as you can see, it's a beneficial thing too because I can see through walls. Yeah, and some parts of map which other players can't see for some reason. Yeah, and it sometimes get worse. Like, look how much I can see. I can see through these boxes, but seriously, and this only happened in my phone. Yeah, seriously, the worst part. But sometimes it's a beneficial thing like this. And trust me, why? Well, because I was a crewmate, I think I was Cyan at that time, and I saw Purple kill someone there in security, and the Purple went from med security to med bay, and yeah, I saw him. Not only that, as an imposter, you can see who is in electrical. You can go, vent, kill, vent again, go there. This saw me venting, and I think another crewmate saw me venting. Never mind. It doesn't affect the camera, but it sometimes get worse. And the worst situation is in other maps. In Skid it's just okay. It's just fine. But in other maps, I can't say this. Welcome to Mira HQ, the most hated map in the whole game. Yeah. I don't hate this map that much. But now what am I doing? Using MS Paint? Seriously, it's literally a headache. How anyone can play like this? I can do this. Actually like the Mira HQ and there we go. I can seriously see through walls. Yeah, this magical wall or something. And I can also see I am the only player in the whole gaming history who just saw that how the reactor looks Mira HQ when you see it through a wall. And it's not a headache in that map. I mean, this is a headache in this map. Yeah, I can still see through walls, right? What what is worse? What is the thing that's gonna call it worse? Well, let me show you. When you firstly enter through maps and yeah, you are moving around, and by luck or by bad luck, you are the imposter. And yeah, I can see through boxes, and almost some of the boxes actually disappearing. Literally, why? It feels like a wall is moving behind me. And sometimes this glitch fixes on some places, like I show you in the skid map, and in some places it come back. So once I told you I was at the imposter there, and I killed someone there and just move around, and yellow saw me. He don't saw me killing, he just saw me walking past by the body. So if this glitch was not there, I can simply report the body and seriously protect myself. And once pink and blue, dark blue, was walking around, and pink just shut the door, and dark blue was doing his medbay task. I just kill him, and purple just came from behind and report the body and say cyan kill. And I was cyan at that time. Trust me how bad I feel at that moment. I am the only person who knows. This vent is literally a small vent. So Citus, I have a literally bad idea. I am thinking I should make a gameplay video during this glitch. Trust me, this is a bad idea, but I am gonna do this. Because I just want to show you how painful it is to play in real gameplay. One gameplay in each map. And trust me, the worst gameplay is going to be in this map. So I will show you one last thing. Yeah, I can see through walls again, sometimes doors, and sometimes a great view. Hey, I think I just shut the... never mind. And as you can see, I can see the through storage. Now just say anything. Okay, Sighters, tell me in the comment section below, should I make a gameplay video during this glitch or not? I will see you next time. Until then, goodbye.